Jaff, here's a funny one. What do you call a can opener that doesn't work?
A can't opener! It sounded like someone was walking upstairs.
It might be the old house making noises. Let's not worry yet, but we'll check it together. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Slow English. Today, we have another exciting story that will help you improve your English while enjoying every moment.
So listen carefully, repeat after us when you can, and let's discover today's mystery together.
I don't think it's the wind anymore.
Let's stay together.
Dad, the light just went out. Someone must be up there.
Stay behind me. We'll open the door together.
I don't see anyone.
Neither do I, but something doesn't feel right.
Those footprints weren't here before.
Someone has been here very recently.
Did someone laugh?
I heard it too.
Dad, this door doesn't look new. It feels like it has been hidden for many years.
Everyone stay calm.
It might have opened because the old wood shifted, but we should still be very careful.
I'll stay close to Alika. Let's not rush inside until we know what's there.
Someone spent time here. These pictures and shelves didn't appear by accident. You're right. Let's keep looking carefully. Every small clue could help us understand this mystery.
The milk is still warm.
Someone was here only a few moments ago. We are definitely not alone in this house. Stay together, everyone. We're close to finding the truth, but we must remain calm and kind.
Our flashlight was here this afternoon. Someone must have used it recently. Does anyone know where it is?
I haven't seen it today. Maybe someone moved it without noticing. I hope they're okay. I just need to check on them one more time before morning. Why is Jaff going back up there in the middle of the night? He's definitely hiding something. I brought your favorite food. Don't worry, you're safe here. If Jaff is hiding something, I need to know the truth. But I don't want to scare him. I'll just watch and understand what's happening.
Jaff, we've been searching for answers for days. Please tell us the truth. Whatever it is, we'll listen first.
I found them in the storm. I'm sorry for hiding the truth.
I'm proud of your caring heart. Next time, trust us.
A few days ago, I found this mother cat during the storm. She was cold and protecting her tiny kittens. I brought them here. I couldn't leave them alone.
Jaff, I'm proud that you helped them. But next time, tell us the truth first. We are a family, and we'll always help together. From today, we'll take care of them together, and this time, no more secrets.
Every kind decision should be shared with the whole family.
All right, everyone, look over here and say cheese. That's it, hold that big smile for me. Sometimes the smallest acts of kindness become the biggest memories. I'm proud we chose compassion, and happier we chose it together as a family.